I'm trying to figure out why. Too much time to be patient. All this time you be feeding us lies. Ain't no truth in your statements. Too much pain in these little white lies you left here. All this time trying to figure out how we're still here. I take pride in the things that we've done, side by side in the revolution. Won't stay silent for things that I love, cause we know them not care about us. Why men can't jump, but at least they can't run. Broke these chains so they put our hands up. They can never see the kingdom coming. You wanna see us all amount to nothing. I can see your face, see the light in your eyes. I can see the change, feel the heat of the fire. If you can feel the pain, then you know you're alive. Both feet on the line, by any means I will fight. 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 I've spent too many days in my head now. Did you think we would forget how? Too many destinies, too many sentences read now. Read now, see all this pain in the headlines. But I have cried for the last time. But know what happened, see, you would be blind if it was just an eye for an eye. And what if we change the world? We rise from the flames, the victor. It's far from a perfect picture. I know we're sinful, but we are human. Would you be grateful if you took my place? Say my name. There is redemption in the steps we take. Say one life and I'm gonna use it. Innocent till I'm proven. One last chance and you blew it. One last dance in the ruins. So much hate in your movements. Told me I couldn't prove it. One last prayer for the sinners. You only learn what you witness. I can see your face, see the light in your eyes. I can see the change, feel the heat of the fire. If you can feel the pain, then you know you're alive. Both feet on the line, by any means I will fight. Oh,